Hello and good day, dear customers. Welcome to our HAWO Academy. My name is Dirk Finkenrath, and on today's tutorial I want to present to you our vacuum sealer HV321. For installation, it is only required to have a stable working table as well as a 400 volts three-phase power supply, field orientation right. Please connect the machine to its power supply and use the main switch to switch it on. The machine is doing an automatic booting sequence and when the home screen is shown, relevant process parameters can be entered via touchscreen. In order to help you to produce GMP compliant packaging, for example for this implant, your HV321 supports you with advanced functions. Our app control functionality for intuitive programming of relevant process parameters, our Datamatic function that allows automatic documentation of relevant process parameters, our dock link array of interfaces, a 400 mm wide sealing bar, as well as a vacuum capability that allows adjustments from 50% to 99% absolute vacuum. Further important functions to allow for a validatable sealing process are our fully programmable and traceable process parameters, as well as easy and intuitive programming via HAWO intelligent scan function. In order to start packaging, the following adjustments are required. A vacuum level, and let's choose for this example now 85%. It's possible to use optional gassing, which is not required in our example, and we have a venting function here set to 50% to make the packaging process quicker. Further to that, we need to adjust suitable sealing parameters for the packaging material, which is in our example 150 degrees centigrade, a sealing time of 2 seconds, and we keep the cooling temperature at 90 degrees. In the following, you only need to close the lid and the machine starts the process automatically, constantly putting process steps on display. and as a result you end up with the perfectly packed product. Thank you for watching, and just a final tip. Do you actually know our innovative NanoPack family now available in customized color schemes? For more information, please use the link below.